You know, sitting at a desk for hours on end can feel like a slow march towards a belly that's just a little too round for comfort. It's like 1 minute you're sipping your morning coffee, and the next, you're wondering how you ended up with this spare tire. But here's the thing, you don't have to resign yourself to that fate. There are ways to combat that creeping belly fat, even in the confines of your cubicle. Let's talk about 7 exercises that can fit seamlessly into your workday. First up, we have the classic chair sit. You can do this right at your desk. Just stand up, lower yourself down as if you're about to sit, and then hold it there for a few seconds before standing back up. It's like a mini squat, and trust me, your thighs will thank you later. It's a small movement, but it packs a punch. Next, let's not forget about the power of the desk push-up. You don't need a gym for this one. Just place your hands on the edge of your desk, step back, and lower your body towards it. It's a great way to engage your core and upper body without anyone even noticing. You might feel a little silly at first, but who cares? You're burning calories while your coworkers are scrolling through social media. Then there's the seated leg lift. While you're sitting, extend one leg out straight and hold it for a few seconds. Switch to the other leg. It sounds simple, but it's a sneaky way to work your abs and thighs without leaving your chair. Plus, it's a good excuse to stretch those legs after being cooped up all day. Now, let's talk about the standing calf raise. Just stand up, lift your heels off the ground, and balance on your toes. It's not just for your calves, it helps improve your posture and keeps your core engaged. You can do this while waiting for your computer to boot up or during a conference call. No one will even know you're working out. Don't underestimate the power of a good stretch. Incorporating some simple stretches into your day can help alleviate tension and boost your metabolism. Try reaching for the ceiling or bending side to side. It's refreshing and helps keep your body limber. And let's not forget about the classic walking meetings. If you can, suggest taking your next meeting on the move. It's a win-win. You get to discuss important matters while burning calories. Finally, the best exercise of all? Just stand up more often. Set a timer to remind yourself to get up every hour. Walk around, grab a glass of water, or chat with a coworker. Movement is key, and every little bit counts. So, there you have it. 7 exercises that can help you fight that belly fat without sacrificing your workday. It's all about making small changes that add up over time. You've got this.